Globe Telecom Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Globe Telecom plans and services are in the description. Globe Telecom is one of the largest mobile operators in the Philippines, offering prepaid, postpaid, and broadband services. It's designed for both casual users and businesses, providing nationwide coverage, 5G connectivity in key areas, and a range of data plans. Their prepaid services cater to budget-conscious users with flexible promos like Go Surf and Go Sacto, while postpaid plans include unlimited calls, texts, and generous data allowances, ideal for heavy users and professionals. Globe's 5G network delivers faster speeds, but coverage is still expanding, with the best service in major cities. For international travelers, Globe offers affordable roaming options and eSIM support. The network performance is generally reliable in urban areas, though some rural locations may experience weaker signals. Customer service can be hit or miss, with faster responses via social media compared to hotline support. The Globe One app simplifies account management, allowing users to track usage, pay bills, and subscribe to promos easily. Business users benefit from enterprise solutions, including cloud services and VoIP integration. Compared to competitors like Smart, Globe excels in flexible plan options, but can sometimes struggle with congestion during peak hours. Overall, Globe Telecom is a solid choice for Filipinos looking for diverse plans and a growing 5G network. But those in remote areas may need to check coverage first. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on Globe services.